Hello guys, let's take a look at these cleaning wet wipes. These are special wipes to clean your electronics or LCDs or PCs, keyboards, mouse, etc. It has cleaning alcohol and the tissue is wet, so it can even remove quite a hard stain. It's quite wet, as you can see. Let me clean and as you can see the wetness from the wipe. It cleans quite well, even the hardest dirt. Rather than spraying liquid onto your electronics, this is a safer way. It only costs 100 rupees or $2. Check it out.